Hello everyone, welcome back to Shaji's Easy English. Today we are going to learn about the use of did. Did you understand that? Yes, I understood. No, I did not understand. Okay, when we learned about the rule of simple past, we have studied that subject plus V2 form of the verb plus object. So, when I ask the question, did you understand? Okay, I used V1 form. The answer when I gave, yes, I understood. There I used V2 form. And the negative answer, no, I did not understand. I used V1 form. Now, which sentence is correct now? Did you understand V1 form? Yes, I understood V2 form. No, I did not understand V1 form. All three sentences are correct. First question is correct, then both the answers are correct. Because always you have to remember the rule is that rule for simple past is subject plus V2 form of the verb plus object. But when did comes in a sentence, we use only, always remember only the V1 form of the verb. So did is there, the beginning, therefore did you understand? So answer is yes, I understood. That is V2 form because there's no did there in that sentence. Okay, yes, I understood. And the negative answer is no, I did not understand because did is there. Therefore, we use only understand, not understood. No, I did not understood, we will not say, but I did not understand. So, question is clear. Did you understand? Yes, I understood. No, I did not understand because when did comes in a sentence, we use only the V1 form of the verb. Did you eat your lunch? Yes, I ate my lunch. No, I did not eat my lunch. Did you go to market? Yes, I went to market. No, I did not go to market. Did you do your homework? Yes, I did my homework. No, I did not do my homework. And did you understand that? Yes, I understood. No, I did not understand. Those who did not understand, we say, we went to market. Okay, we went to market. That's this simple past. Subject plus V2 form the verb plus object. We went to market. To make a question, did we go to market? Did we go to market? Yes, we went to market. No, we did not go to market. Did they sing a song? Yes, they sang a song. No, they did not sing a song. So, did you brush your teeth? Yes, I brushed my teeth. No, I did not brush my teeth. So, here, did you brush? Yes, I brushed. No, I did not brush. Therefore, always remember, when did comes in a sentence, we use only the V1 form or root form of the verb. We don't use the V2 form. So, did you went? No. Did you go? Did you ate? No. Did you eat? Did you sang? No. Did you sing a song? Yes, I sang a song. No, I did not sing a song. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubts or clarification, always don't forget to dial the number 80735855711 or log on to Shaji's Easy English. Bye.